Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to upload video in Google Drive using iPhone. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing is, if you haven't downloaded the Google Drive, then make sure to download this on the App Store itself. And then what we're going to do is, we're going to be opening up the Google Drive. And then let's make sure that you are logged into your account. Here you can go ahead and access your Google Drive itself. Go ahead and select the folder that you want to use. So say for example, let's go on tutorial right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and upload a video. So what we're going to do is we're going to be clicking on the plus sign right here on the bottom. So this one right here. So go ahead and click this. And then we're going to be clicking on upload file right here. Now you can go ahead and click on photos and videos, and then go ahead and go to the video section right here, and then just go ahead and select the video that you want to go ahead and upload. So say for example, I'm going to be choosing this one on the top left, and then we're going to be clicking on upload right here on the top right. So go ahead and click on this. Now depending on the length of the video, then you can go ahead and wait for this to fully upload. Now you should be able to see that the video is currently uploaded right here, and it says right here on the bottom that it is currently being processed. So if you want to go ahead and open this up, then once that is finished processing, you should be able to go ahead and play the video right there. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.